Alright guys, we're back. 2019 TLX. Show you guys how to remove the bumper cover now. Watch the videos on how to remove the fender liners, because you're going to have to remove partial fender liners to get the bumper off. We've already passed that step, so now I'm going to take the bumper off. There's two Phillips screws on the sides of the bumper. They're literally coming around this side. Dang, and they're pretty long. They go right here. There's one on the other side as well. Goes right here. Just on the clip. It's not that bad. Looks like they're just in with okay, so there's just two clips right here. One, two. Put this guy over there. And it just slide underneath it. Comes out. We're gonna need all these for later. We can go to remove these guys. So they're just oh, there's a clip back here. The clip, it looks flat so you can't see it, but there's a little spot to stick it in and it'll open up. Special type of clip. And then this guy will slide out. They're in with these pins to hold these things in. You take those off. And the V6 might be the same, I don't know. But this is the 4-cylinder model. But it's going to be the same construction, more than likely. We released the sides of the bumper, and we've taken the bottom belly pan off. And when you take the bottom belly pan off, a lot of the clips hold the bumper to the belly pan. So you use the same screw, so that's all already been taken off. So if you take the two screws out from the sides, a couple tens at the top, I think the bumper should just slide off. There's not much more to it. The grill is part of it. There's a tin here. It's got a little shank on the bolt, so there's four of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're on the top of the grill, and you can see already it's gotten loose. And then all you gotta do is just give it from one side. If you just pull it, and it's got clips, don't be like, let's see. See, it's got, if you come here and look, it's got the headlight bracket, the plastic, and then it's got those holes that it slides into. Don't just tear it, because you'll probably rip right here. But just kind of just play with it until it comes out. Don't try to yank on it until it rips off. What I like to do is maybe put back 110. So when I yank this side, the bumper doesn't come flying off. Oh, there you go. See, that 10 over there is holding it for me, so the bumper just go boom, fall on the ground. I'm going to take this 10 out. And then the bumper should just slide off. And right here, I didn't see this from the bottom, but this is the temp sensor. Okay,